Hi everyone, my name is Marciano Putra Sinurat. My registered number is 180705087. Now I want to discuss and talk about the stylistic analysis. I want to discuss about a poem by William Carlos Williams. It's called The Red Wheelbarrow. So much depends upon a red wheelbarrow, glazed with rainwater besides the white chicken. Okay, so The Red Wheelbarrow, published in 1923, and is one of the most famous Carlos Williams poem. And despite being cryptic, it consists of a single sentence describing a red wheelbarrow wet with rain sitting beside some chicken. Okay, now let's talk about the stylistic analysis of this poem. The first one is phonology features. The first verse are linked by the sound O in the word sow and borrow, and the sound U in the word much and upon. And then the sound E or R tie the second and the third verse. And in the last verse, ch and ends in the sentence so much depends. Okay, now let's talk about the second stylistic analysis. That is the lexical feature. So in this poem, because this poem is really a short poem, it doesn't have a lot of words. So the noun is just 5 noun, and the verb is just 2, and the adjective is just okay. And the lexical feature in the line of the poem is line 3 to 4. The word red light up the scene, putting the unusual pause between the word wheel and barrow, and this has the effect on breaking the image down to the basic to the most basic part. And the line 5 to 6, the word place make the reader notice the wheelbarrow through others' perspective or their perspective. The last line 7 to 8, the last line picturing the word white is used to contrast the earlier red, and the perspective of wheelbarrow is now completed. Okay, now we talk about the third stylistic analysis. It is the grammatical feature of this poem. Okay, so there are a morpheme, there is depends, and it's on the first line, and there are a glaze, and this is on a third line, and there are a chicken on the fourth line. Okay, the fourth stylistic analysis of this poem is the figure of speech. There are a personification on this poem, and it is on glazed with water and besides the white chicken. And the glazed with water, we can see this sentence on the third line of the poem, and beside the white chicken we can see on the fourth line of the poem. So the last part of this presentation is the conclusion. The conclusion of this presentation is, we all know that William Carlos Williams, this is one of the most famous poem that he ever have, and we all know that he has carefully choose the word and also the attention to the language and unusual sense of break that William bring on this poem. And also William has turned an ordinary sentence into a great poem. And after an analysis of the linguistic feature of this poem, we can have a better understanding of the author's idea and appreciate the beauty of every aspect of this poem.